ICT 724 Intelligence System, Assessment 3 Individual Research with Presentation. My topic is AI Smart Assistant, Technical Foundations, Ethical Issues, and Key Challenges in Implementation. I'm Bielcrisa Mendoza, student number 20028218. Introduction. A virtual assistant or AI smart assistant is a software application that involves artificial intelligence, natural language processing or the NPL, and machine learning algorithm to perform a specific task for users. By utilizing natural language processing, AI assistant can comprehend users' textual or verbal inputs and generate responses that are conversational and fluent. With the remarkable advance in voice recognition in 1977, Dr. James Baker's naturally speaking software became first continuous recognition solution comprehending up to 1,000 words per minute. Key challenges or the key technical challenges. The technical role of AI assistant is to interpret and respond to human requests, automate process, and give information using variety of AI technologies, including natural language processing or NPL, machine learning or ML, and speech recognition. Real-time processing and low latency. Voice AI relies significantly on speed when a consumer asks a question or issues a command to an AI assistant. An immediate response is expected from it. Connectivity and edge communication. These methods lowers latency, preserve network capacity, protects data privacy, and enhance system performance in general. Power efficiency and thermal management. Highly dense hardware such GPUs, TPUs, and ASICs is necessary for AI tasks, particularly those involving deep learning and large-scale training models. Data security and trusted edge execution as AI-powered systems grow more integrated and become potential targets for malicious action. Also, the natural language understanding or NLU. Natural language understanding is a subsection of natural language processing that enable machines to understand and interpret human language. Knowledge integration. As AI technologies improve, the demand of relevant and reliable data grows, requiring enterprises to acquire, integrate, and utilize data from a variety of sources. Security and privacy. All AI systems rely significantly on user inputs for training and decision making in order to function. In my case study, it's Amazon Alexa. Alexa, Amazon's intelligent personal assistant, has significantly enhanced the in-home experience for user by offering hands-free convenience and smart automation. With Alexa, you can create natural voice experiences that provide user in an easier way to interact with the technology people use every day. Alexa developer official site. Also, Alexa mainly use cloud-based software running on Amazon website. Alexa Voice Services or AVS receive the record voice, interprets it, and transform it into commands. Natural language processing is Alexa primary technology concept. Number two is Google Assistant. When it comes to Android devices, Google Assistant holds the title for voice technologies. Google Assistant uses a hybrid architecture, including on-device processing for quick responses and cloud-based processing for advanced tasks. With Google Assistant, machine learning models are trained on the diverse linguistic datasets that led to more natural interaction compared to easier voice assistant. This is the comparison summary, the hardware architecture, software architecture, and key algorithms. For the Alexa, they have echo devices, Fairfield microphones, noise reduction, speakers, and cloud networking components. In Google Assistant, they have Google Nest Speaker for far field microphones, digital signal processing, neural cores, tensor processing, edge TPUs. Software architecture, they have cloud-based software, while in Google Assistant, it's hybrid architecture connected in Google's ecosystem. In key algorithms for the Alexa, natural language processing, maximum entropy and conditional random field, text-to-speech, deep neural networks. And in Google Assistant, it has neural networks, advanced NLP techniques, models such as BERT and LAMDA. For the ethical issues, the rise of artificial intelligence or AI in our daily lives has become incredibly significant, transforming everything from how we work to how we interact with the world around us. However, despite of the benefits that it has given to us, ethical considerations should strongly impact the invention of artificial intelligence applications. And lastly, for the future trends, AI assistants are not any far from vision of the future. In fact, they are already shaping our lives and changing and improving areas such as healthcare and education. As technology advances, AI agents will become increasingly complex, providing better, more tailored and efficient solutions. My report will gonna end here. Thank you so much for listening. Again, my name is Biel, and thank you so much.